Look at that, EV6, which is what it is. EV6 to fly. What a good registration number.
Oh wow. And it's an EV6?
Yeah.
Oh,
Kia EV6 to fly.
Wow.
It's flying up here. Try and get that registration number on my camera. But he's going too fast across there.
He is, yeah. Oh. What we used to have years ago, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get like used to them. They're all moaning, well they weren't moaning yesterday, they said it's the coldest switch on we've had for years. Because they were saying, you know, they have to put their coats on one year. And Kath still had a Christmas jumper on with me. She said, I'm not getting it out. And say we're in Kidderminster next on the 8th of December.
Yeah.
If you're well enough, let us know. We'll probably do all I can.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Look, the stamps. I mean, a birthday card and a Christmas card to laying it would be £1.50. I mean, I know, look back before stamps went up, we were spending 30 odd quid on stamps. I don't know what it'll be this year. Reminds me, go down to the post office tomorrow and post Arthur Merv's card.
Will do.
Because that's getting quite late. I won't pop the others in the post for a little while. Elliott's Manor.
Strange.
Oh, I was going down there for some reason. I was going back home.
Oh, blimey, home!
I know, home to Harpington. It just caught me unaware.